Dogecoin is currently worth about 0.0774 per coin, with a trading range of 0.0761 to 0.0779. This value is slightly lower than the previous day's closing value of 0.0776, which is an important distinction. The observed change in the price of Dogecoin in relation to US dollars ranged from 0.0002 to 0.26. This exchange rate was seen to be unremarkable since it made the conversion between the two currencies easy in terms of Dogecoin's potential value. On Monday, August 7th, the price of one Dogecoin was reported at 0.077, which was thought to be a fairly high value, raising hopes for a positive trajectory. On Tuesday, August 1st, the value of Dogecoin was recorded at 0.073, representing a significant amount in the cryptocurrency market. The value of 0.078 generally represents a slight departure from the prevailing consensus, whereas 0.068 might be interpreted as resistance to conventional wisdom. Dogecoin's anticipated value on Wednesday, August 9th, is predicted to be around 0.080, which is significantly higher than earlier estimates. The value of 0.089 is minimally greater than 0.077, which is expressly and actually significant. The purpose of this response is to provide an academic perspective on the projected value of Dogecoin in the years 2023, 2024, and 2027 within a one-week timeframe. The value of 0.086 is the minimum, much lower than the widely held belief of 0.074. On Thursday, August 10th, the prevailing price of Dogecoin was predominantly valued at 0.083, representing its highest point throughout that period. On Friday, August 4th, Dogecoin is expected to be worth 0.084, which is seen as a significant amount in its price. The projected price of Dogecoin on Tuesday, August 8th was 0.084, which can be considered as the upper limit. On Wednesday, August 9th, the price of Dogecoin fluctuated between 0.078 and 0.085, with a minimum of 0.078 and a maximum of 0.085. On Monday, August 7th, the average price of Dogecoin was 0.081, with the highest value reaching 0.087 and the lowest value at 0.075. These figures hold considerable significance. The price of Dogecoin is expected to range between 0.079 and 0.091, with a minimum of 0.079 and a maximum of 0.091. The value of 0.093 is the minimum, while 0.081 is the lowest value. That is explicitly and significantly important during a time frame of around 14 days. On Friday, August 11th, the price of Dogecoin reached a value of 0.086, which may be considered relatively high. A notable increase of 0.092 was seen in comparison to the previous value of 0.080. The projected value of Dogecoin on Monday, August 14th, was 0.086, which can be considered a significant figure. On Tuesday, August 15th, the price of Dogecoin reached a significant value of 0.092, which is notably higher than the minimum value of 0.080. This demonstrates a substantial increase in the estimated value of Dogecoin. However, it should be noted that the maximum price seen on that day was 0.083. The value of 0.089 is notably smaller than 0.077. Particularly when considering the prevailing consensus. On Wednesday, August 16th, the projected value of Dogecoin was 0.087, which is considered to be a significant high. On Thursday, August 17th, the price of Dogecoin reached a minimum of 0.081 and a maximum of 0.085, with an average of 0.093. The value of 0.091 is notably the smallest, with 0.079 being the next smallest, both of which were observed in a discrete manner over a period of 3 weeks. The anticipated value of Dogecoin on Friday, August 18th, was 0.092, which represented its highest valuation. On August 21st, Dogecoin was trading at 0.092, a big gain over the previous day's minimum price of 0.086. According to their original estimation, the value of 0.098 was mostly rented around 0.086. On Tuesday, August 22nd, the projected price of Dogecoin is forecast to be 0.092, which is likely to be the highest value. Although there is a widespread misconception in the canine community that the cost of participating in the activity on Wednesday, August 23rd, is 0.092, which represents the highest amount, the figure of 0.098 is widely regarded to be the lowest, while 0.086 is generally thought to be the minimum. The value of 0.098 can be seen as being somewhat less than 0.086, especially when viewed in the perspective of a very big scale. Dogecoin was expected to be worth 0.091 on Thursday, August 24th, which was regarded as a very high value. Similar to how the predicted cost of Dogecoin on Monday, August 28th, was projected to be 0.092, which can be viewed as a somewhat extreme amount, the estimated value of Dogecoin on Friday, August 24th, was roughly 0.091, deviating from mainstream perspectives by 0.097 on the higher end and 0.085 on the lower end. On Tuesday, August 29th, the estimated cost of Dogecoin was 0.089 with a maximum value of 0.095 in terms of United States dollars. The conversion rate to Dogecoin is roughly 12.9249 coins per $1. The current value of Dogecoin is 0.098, which is slightly higher than the value of 0.086 observed earlier. This suggests that the value of Dogecoin is approximately equivalent to 0.0774 per coin. When compared to the previous value of 12.8899, the current range for today is between 12.8403 and 13.1492 coins per dollar, which is a considerable shift and an increase of 0.0350. As Tether moves away from $1, what do you think the price of Bitcoin will be? Is BTC also in trouble? The price of Bitcoin is moving up and down above $29,000, which has caught the attention of traders and buyers. Bitcoin is worth $29,000 to $40 right now. And $11.3 billion worth of trades happen every 24 hours. According to the most current data, Bitcoin has lost nearly 0.5% of its value in the last 24 hours. As Tether, one of the most famous stable coins, moves away from its $1 value, the market is paying close attention. People are closely watching how this change will affect Bitcoin, which has led to debate and talk about what it could mean for the most popular cryptocurrency. The USDT has a slight depeg and is overweight in pools. ALX WASI, at WASI_.